Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will talk about the situation number 5 and 10. So first, a computer shop buys a cartridge at 220 pesos and marks them up by 55 pesos. What is the total percentage of markup? First is, kung nagugulang kayo sa solution, don't worry kasi it's same lang naman doon sa sa bagong formula na binigay ni Sir sa lumang formula. So today, first we find the cost of computer shop, which is 220 minus the markups equals 500 at 55 divided by 220 equals 165 divided by 220. After that, we gotta divide the 165 to 220 equals 0.75 times 100 equals 75%. Kindly check if it is correct. Okay. So for the number 2, nakupin ko na itong kabila. Bida-bida ka eh. If that costs 1,800 pesos and now sold at 1,350 pesos during the clearance sale, what is the discount rate applied? First, you're gonna find the original price of the bag, which is 1,800. Tapos, i-minus ko lang siya sa 1,350. Then divided by 2, 1,800 equals 450 divided by 1,800. So after that, nakikita na natin dito kung ilan yung percentage ng discount ng bag, which is 0.25. Easily convert na lang natin siya ng 25%. And that's all. Thank you.